Hello everyone, this is Crystal. Welcome to Artantastic, where creativity comes alive. Today let's work on two different kind of string pulls. I have this 6x8" canvas board and I'm going to start by drenching the entire canvas in white. But there's going to be a slight difference. I'm adding a touch of phthalo green to the white. There, that's the mixture, and that's me scraping out every last drop. And I just smoothen it out to an even blend. Just making sure that every corner of it is covered with paint. And now I add my strings. That's cadmium yellow and pink, and that's light blue and ultramarine. I love that color. And that's light pink and magenta. Well, let's see how it looks. We just pull them together gently, slowly, and we have some beautiful flowers. Let me just torch all the air bubbles. I'll bring you down for a closer look. Isn't that pretty? The background has the tiniest hint of green. And I love that wispy look of the petals. You can see the tiny cells there. It's pretty. You'll notice that this one has, the background is smooth, not textured. But in the other one that we're going to do today, we'll have a textured background. I love those cells right there. It's so pretty. Well, let's get ready for the next one, shall we? I have this nice stretched canvas. It's an 8x8" canvas and we're going to have a textured background. So I'm going to drench, I need to straighten that. Yes, that's better. So I've drenched my background in white and the paint here is a little thick. I'm just smoothing it over and getting rid of all those air bubbles. I'm going to load my canvas with strings dipped in different colors. So I've used a combination of cadmium yellow, ultramarine, blue and fluorescent green. So let's see how it looks. Put the strings together and just pull. There. Beautiful flowers right before your eyes in just a few seconds. Isn't that pretty? Let's add a few more strings. A few more colorful flowers. And another one. I love pulling the string and just watching that flower bloom right before your eyes. The best part is that anyone can do this. Just dip your strings in any color that you like and begin your masterpiece. You will absolutely enjoy it. You can make greeting cards and so many different things. Just give it a try. That's nice. Maybe I'll add just one more. Yes. And we're nearly done. Oh, what a pretty little garden. Let me bring you down for a closer look. There, It's still wet, so you can't see the textured background, but I love that wispy look of those petals. The colors are vibrant too. It's very pretty. And here it is, all dried and ready. And now you see the textured background. Isn't that nice? So this is very different from the other one. But both are pretty and anyone can do it. Do give it a try and let me know in the comments which one you prefer. Let's look at the other one, the earlier one. There. This one has a smooth background, no texture, but pretty all the same. And the textured one. I hope this video encourages you to try out these simple techniques. And if you've enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments which one you prefer. Happy painting!